Good morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, markets are mixed a little bit. Beans are down 3 cents, while meal is gaining on oil. Corn down 2, and wheat's about unchanged. Outside market stocks are higher, the dollar's lower, crude's lower, and gold, silver, and copper are higher. This week will be kind of an interesting week. We've got the USDA stocks report on Tuesday, and then if Tuesday night at midnight there's no government spending bill passed, the government will shut down. Historically, shutdowns are pretty limited, and there tends to be some kind of common ground to extend funding after a short period of time. But if not, at jeopardy is as far as agriculture is concerned, is the weekly U.S. Export data and the October crop report. So on Tuesday, we will get the stocks report. Most people are leaning for maybe a little bit negative corn number if they find stocks, while the bean number could suggest still tight conditions, and the wheat number should be a little bit negative. As far as the crop is concerned, most people are looking for bean harvest between 17 and 19% done, corn 20 to 23%. In traveling out to north central Illinois yesterday, I did see a lot more bean ground being harvested than corn. As far as prices are concerned, yet last week, funds were net sellers of beans, meal, oil, corn, and wheat. Right now, we're trading at 10.09 on the November. Should be more selling below $10. And in the corn, these corns at 4.19. There should be more selling as we creep closer to the $4 price level. It's interesting to note that elevators usually do not buy grain from farmers when the CBOT is not open. So we'll see if we see hedge pressure for the rest of this week as we have open weather. The first chance for the Midwest to see some rain is midweek next week, and mostly to the west and north, and not as much in especially Illinois. So we'll just see how crops there are going. Initially, where they are harvesting beans, the yields are a little bit better than farmers had expected, given how dry August and September has been.